Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the captivating world of BMW car technology. Today we're taking a deep dive into the enchanting and intricate world of BMW design, a realm where automotive engineering meets artistry and luxury takes on a whole new meaning. As we step into the hallowed halls of BMW's design studio, we're greeted by a symphony of creativity. This is where the magic happens, where sketches transform into dynamic, breathtaking vehicles. The studio is more than just a workspace, it's a birthplace of automotive masterpieces, where tradition and innovation intertwine to create designs that are both timeless and forward-thinking. But what fuels this relentless pursuit of perfection? Let's hear it straight from the visionaries themselves, the BMW designers. They'll tell you that the brand's design philosophy is deeply rooted in its heritage, yet is ceaselessly driven by a vision for the future. It's a delicate dance between respecting tradition and embracing innovation. Every BMW design is a reflection of the brand's core values: performance, precision, and the sheer joy of driving. The goal isn't just to create vehicles that are visually stunning, but to craft machines that deliver an unparalleled driving experience. Every line, every curve, every detail serves a purpose, contributing to the overall harmony and dynamism of the design. From the iconic kidney grille, which has become a signature element of BMW's identity, to the distinctive Hofmeister kink, a subtle yet powerful design cue that's become synonymous with BMW, every aspect of a BMW car is steeped in symbolism and tradition. But what lies beneath the surface? What are the secrets hidden within these intricate designs? As we delve deeper into the mysteries of BMW's design DNA, we'll uncover the fundamental principles that guide the creation of every BMW vehicle. But that's a story for another time. For now, let's marvel at the artistry and ingenuity that goes into the creation of these automotive masterpieces. Because a BMW isn't just a car, it's a testament to a legacy of design excellence that continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. But what lies beneath the surface? Let's unravel the mysteries of BMW's design DNA. At the core of BMW's design philosophy are three fundamental principles: proportion, precision, and progression. And each of these principles is meticulously woven into the fabric of every BMW car that rolls off the assembly line. Let's start with proportion. Proportion is the harmonious balance of elements within the design. It's about ensuring that every part of the car, from the striking front fascia to the sculpted rear profile, flows seamlessly. It's about creating a form that is both aesthetically pleasing and functional. Take, for instance, the way BMW's iconic kidney grille not only serves as a distinct design element, but also performs a vital function of cooling the engine. Then we have precision, the cornerstone of BMW craftsmanship. Precision, in BMW's design language, speaks to the meticulous attention to detail that goes into crafting each car. It's about sculpting every curve, every contour to perfection. It's about creating a perfect harmony between the exterior design and the interior luxury. From the hand-stitched leather upholstery that adorns the interiors to the precisely machined aluminum trim that enhances the exterior, every detail is a testament to BMW's unwavering commitment to excellence. Lastly, we have progression. BMW is a brand synonymous with innovation. It's always at the forefront of automotive design, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Whether it's pioneering new materials, experimenting with alternative powertrains, or integrating state-of-the-art connectivity features, BMW is constantly striving to redefine the future of mobility. But these principles are not just about creating a car that looks stunning. They're about forging a deep emotional connection with the driver. When you sit behind the wheel of a BMW, you're not just driving a car. You're experiencing a legacy of performance, prestige, and sheer driving pleasure. Each BMW car is a testament to the brand's legacy, a symbol of the fusion of art and technology, a celebration of automotive excellence. And that, dear listeners, is the essence of BMW's design philosophy. It's not just about designing cars, it's about crafting experiences, and each experience is a unique journey, a symphony of proportion, precision, and progression. But BMW's design philosophy goes beyond mere aesthetics. It's about forging a deep emotional connection with the driver. Each curve, each line, each meticulously crafted detail resonates with the driver, creating an unparalleled bond that transcends the physical. This is a relationship born from the understanding that a BMW is not just a vehicle, but an extension of the individual behind the wheel. BMW's design philosophy allows each driver to experience a unique journey, a journey that is deeply personal and profoundly inspiring. It's about feeling the rush of adrenaline as you navigate tight corners, the sense of freedom as you cruise down open roads, and the sheer joy of being at one with your machine. Each BMW car is a testament to the brand's legacy, a symbol of performance, prestige, and sheer driving pleasure. So the next time you encounter a BMW on the road, remember that it's not just a car, it's a statement, a celebration of automotive excellence.